If you're looking to know how to plan out your content with a brand new YouTube channel, or you're just looking at getting a fresh perspective on how to plan out your schedule of videos from someone who's done it before and as somebody who's practicing every single day to be better at YouTube, this is the video for you. Let me introduce myself. My name is David Lehman. This is In Layman's Terms. It's a channel that I just started out. In fact, this is the 7th video on my 30-day challenge to create 30 videos in 30 days, completely unedited. I'm not using any editing software after I record this video. There's no editing of different mumbles and everything like that. So if you want to see somebody raw and authentic doing videos and practicing, trying to get better, this is the video for you. So this video is going to be about how I am working towards getting better at planning out my content. And so I've listed out actually 3 different things on here of things that I've practiced myself and things that I'm trying to get better at. Number 1 is, if you want to get better at planning out your content, I would suggest you use AI. This is something that I'm trying to get actually more acclimated to, and I'm actually getting rather better at now. But I use ChatGPT. I also use an AI tool called Koala. And I literally put in a prompt and I say, I've got an idea for this video just for my own head, and I put it into a chat for AI and I say, based on this idea, how would you expand this? How would you make it better? I also try to get more ideas for other future videos based on that idea. So AI can be a really helpful tool. You can really lean on it a lot, but I wouldn't lean on it too much. I'd still use your brain and the ideas that you come about that's unique to you. So that's what I like doing, is I like taking my own ideas that I'm thinking of. I like seeing how AI could improve it based on other successful channels and what it sees on the internet. And then I like asking it, what other ideas could I make videos on to get my schedule and my content planning out there a lot more. So that's actually what I did today is I said, hey, I've got about 13 different video ideas for this 30-day challenge. What are, 17 more ideas for this channel and this 30-day challenge that I could do? And it spit out a bunch of ideas. Some of them I'm gonna take, some of them I'm not. But that's my first bit of advice for planning out your content, is look at AI to help you create those ideas, okay? Now the second thing is to look at successful channels for inspiration and format, okay? So what that means is take a look at your current subscriptions from YouTube, look at pages that you follow on TikTok, Instagram, all that, and figure out what you like following, figure out what you like viewing, and really pay attention to what videos you watch next. So when you open up your app browser on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all that, you watch that one video of that subscription or that one channel, what do you click on next? Do you stay on the same video of that same channel, or do you click to a different video? And maybe just try to recognize what your habit is. If your habit is to stay on that same topic, then maybe with your content plan, you do another video on that same topic. So if you're planning on doing a video about running or how to get better at bowling a strike, is the next video that YouTube is recommending how to bowl a great spare? Or is it another technique to bowl a strike in bowling? So that's what you want to expand on. And you want to look at other channels to give you that inspiration, okay? Number 3, okay? Now before we get to number 3, could you do me a favor? If you want to join this challenge, could you subscribe to this channel, the In Layman's Terms channel? Also give this a like. It'll give me a really good indicator on whether this video is helpful. And also, if you want to comment and let me know what you like or what type of content you're planning on doing, that'd be great as well. I'd love to hear. Okay, number 3, the last piece of advice for planning out your content is to create a schedule and stick to it, okay? Now, so this is something that I could actually get better at, and I'm trying to work on with this new channel. And my channel that I actually have a channel that I've grown from 0 to 35,000 subscribers. It's called the Freeze-Dried Business. And I have always struggled with planning out my content, but I'm getting better at it by using Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, whatever you've got, and just putting in there when you're going to record, like right now, and when you're going to publish, okay? And a good rule of thumb, if you want to be consistent with YouTube, I would suggest trying to post once per week. Not shorts, but this long form stuff. Long form, I would say, would be anything longer than 3 minutes, okay? And I would try to post one time per week on the same day. Not necessarily the same time, but just the same day. Try to do that consistently. And I would use your calendar to let you know when you're supposed to do those things so that you can stay accountable to yourself. Now, my last thing that I want to mention is, remember to just be confident in yourself and what you're doing, okay? In my previous video, check out the next video, I talk about what YouTube has done for me and my confidence. I am literally out here on a walk, cars are passing me by, I might look like an idiot with this tripod talking to this camera, but I've gotten more confident in myself talking on camera, and YouTube has really built up my self-esteem. I like video blogging. I like talking on video like this. It comes a lot more natural than trying to journal with writing. It comes a lot more natural than trying to speak in front of people or all that. So try to do what comes natural to you. And I would just say, I just wrote this down. Remember to be yourself on video and just start creating. Start recording, press and record, and start recording what you want to say. Nobody's really paying attention. Look at my channel right now. If you're watching this, I have 1 subscriber right now as of this date, May 7th, 2025. I have 1 subscriber. You know who that is? It's me. And I also have only got 28 views total. And most of those are me as well. And that's okay with me because I'm trying to complete this challenge to do 30 videos in 30 days. And then I've got another challenge for myself. So if you want to join me, join along. If you want to see other videos that I've done, go check out more of my videos, and do me a favor, subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you next time.